Andre,
Quincy,
I could ask you something about Box Cart Intercol.
you could ask me anything about Box Cart Intercol.
So here it is. What about entrepreneurship, boy?
So entrepreneurship plays an important role in the whole build process. All great ideas will remain as ideas without financing. Sad to say, that is the life we live, unless if you have internal resources. This requires that the students raise their own funding. And what we have introduced for the last one that proved to be successful, we have some tweaking to do, is we introduce a seed money concept where we give first 10 schools, in that instance, resource dependent, of course, seed money that they can now use to multiply and raise the financing and funding they need to build their box cart, buy materials, supplies, pizzas for when they work in, whatever. And the creativity and ingenuity of some of these things realize that there is a very significant part in any engineering process. In the industry out there, these things cost money. The materials, the technical, the equipment. So we chose to include that in the judging of the build process. I draw example to presentation San Fernando. They bought a ball, a normal football, that was I think about $200-300 or something like that. And they raffled it within the school and raised over $3,000. Make me want to get out of this box cart thing and sell football. But at the same time, that is outstanding. And we want to make sure that they formalize the process. So we're asking that they do a SWOT analysis, they show accounting, they show, again, thought process behind what they came up with. They identified a need and somebody wanted this. Okay, let's see if we can provide it. So those skill sets are also employed in the whole process of building the box cart. And again, these are life skills that will be valuable going forward when they leave school. They would have had experience of running their own business, creating a product, selling it, getting profit, and then assigning the profits to do something else. Basic entrepreneurship, but again, we're giving them real world experience.
You kind of answered the next question I was going to ask, which was about ethical fundraising.
Well, the beauty with it is the ethical component or question mark with what they did and how they did. It was internal. So it's not like they went to the general public. It's something that within their community, they were able to generate the funds within their community. You know, and any economist will tell you that that's a winning formula right there, where you don't have to go outside to get something that you need. So on a basic level, I love the engineering. I love the drive, creativity. And again, it promotes a sense of community. It builds the internal culture of the school where we support our own, the camaraderie, loyalty. I don't see an ethical question there per se that will really be a challenge, because again, it's isolated within the community of the school.
And of course, that component means that now the accounts department and that kind of discipline could get involved, because they had a budget and create ROIs and that kind of thing.
Definitely, there's room for the accountants, business managers, marketing managers in this process. Like any engineering, or I should say any successful engineering endeavor, that is something that is often overlooked as being important. But again, it's proven where the teams that bring in that resource set are usually the better finance teams and the more competitive teams. So yes, somebody who could have an interest in accounting and business, there is a place for you in Box Cart Intercol. A very significant place for you in Box Cart Intercol.
Well, all right.
All right.
Thanks.